In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.4, question 1, part 5th. And question we have integral of x cube natural log of x dx. Same formula we have to use u v dx because we have to solve it by parts. So u integral of v dx minus integral of another integral of same v dx u prime, means we have to take the derivative. So u is equal to natural log of x and v is equal to x cube. Same thing, wherever is u we will write down natural log of x, and wherever is v x cube dx minus, and again here x cube dx integral, then d by dx of natural log of x dx. So this natural log of x will remains the same. For this x cube, the integral will be x power 4 divided by 4, because you have to add one power and you have to divide it by with the new exponent or power, both are same, minus integral same thing, x raised to exponent 4 divided by 4 and then 1 by x. This is the derivative of natural log of x. So this one x will cross 1, still we have x cube here. So x4 divided by 4 natural log of x I can write down like this. Then 1 over 4 we can take as a constant. We have this. So it will be x raised to power 4 divided by 4 natural log of this x 1 over 4, and it will be x raised to power 4 divided by 4 plus c. So in the next step we have to multiply. It will be minus x4 divided by 16. So I can write down here x raised to power 4 divided by 4 natural log of x minus x raised to power 4 divided by 16 plus c. This is your answer. If you want x raised to power 4 divided by 4, we can take as a common in the parenthesis. Then we will have natural log of x minus 1 over 4 bracket close and then plus c, or I can write down if you want. So both are same. If you will stop here, this is also fine. It will be 1 over 4 plus c. So this is your answer. Still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.